Right now, we're all facing challenging times.
No face-to-face meetings.
No public events.
No shaking hands on a business deal.
But we will get through this, united and strong.
Because the human spirit is stronger.
Through it all, we're still here for you, working together.
Working to make sure we're helping you in the ways we can.
Taking your calls from our homes.
Placing your orders from a new kind of office.
Making in-home videos that are giving breakfast and learns a whole new look.
And our team on the front lines is making sure that you get what you need when you need it.
We're pulling orders to be shipped today.
Pulling orders to be shipped tomorrow.
Although we may be separated by distance right now,
but we're here for you.
We're all here for you.
CNC Flow Control's got your back.
CNC Flow Control's got your back.
CNC's got your back.
Because the human spirit is stronger.
The human spirit is always stronger.